Hi, I'm Anastasia. I'm one of the house bartenders at All Points West, and I'll be showing you how to make an Army Navy with the Cat House Gin. This drink has Cat House Gin, lemon juice, you can juice lemons yourself, and orgeat, which is an almond syrup with some orange blossom in it. You can make it or you can buy it. It also has Angostura, simple house bitter. So it has 1.5 ounces of gin, has 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice, three-quarters of an ounce of orgeat, I'm going to shake it with ice. Make sure you shake it for at least 15 seconds. 15 to 30 seconds would probably be sufficient for this. You're going to want to use a strainer. If you have a Nick and Nora glass, that's best to use. You can use other glasses that are sort of similar shape if you don't have it, but obviously that's preferable. Use the strainer, pour it in, and then you're going to dash some Angostura on top. If you wanted a really fancy, pretty version, you can always chill your glass. You can also, I like to twirl the glass around and it makes a little spiral for the Angostura, so you can see that here.